Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a Forza Horizon 5 not working or freezing when you try to launch the game. So here all you have to do now, you can try to download a Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable latest supported downloads, supported driver, for example. Here you can access learn.microsoft.com in order to download this file. You can scroll down and try to find latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable version. You can download these three files and then install into your system. So here, this is the notes that you can learn. What is this? What this redistributable contain. And after you install this one, next you can install DirectX and user runtime. So this is web installer. You can download a small installer here, only 300 kilobyte. After that, make sure you have a good internet connection in order to download the file. This runtime web installer contain Microsoft DirectX SDK or legacy for some games that use DirectX 9, 10, DirectX 11, X Audio 2.7, X Input 1.3, and so on. So this package does not modify the DirectX runtime installed on your Windows in any way. So after you download this and this, you can restart your system. Then for example, you can go to the task manager after the restart and try to close unnecessary or random background process that maybe you don't know what is that. You can try to end task. Then don't forget to right click your game icon, in this case maybe Forza Horizon itself. Then here you can try to click compatibility and click run this program as administrator. Click OK, click apply, then OK, then relaunch your game. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next